birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Kapit pong birthday ba ni Chelsea. Mag-unsa ba kasi mong birthday ba? Unsa imong gusto nimo i-regalo nako sa imo Bing sa birthday nimo? Ha?
Pagkaon.
Pagkaon?
Harap naman.
Nami no? Nami nagigani. Ako po, enjoy po ko. Nami lay no?
Nak, say hello. Say something to your
Say something to happy birthday.
Thank you, Tita, for spending time with us today.
Okay, welcome. Bing,
Also, something to your Tita also.
kasi wish niyo mo kay Cassandra?
Ano? A healthy body and healthy mind.
Oh. Mommy, what is your
Nak,
wish
study
to?
hard to become CPA lawyer someday. Okay?
Eh?
Dani, mom na dream ni Dani sa imo ha.
Oh, di ba? Na naawa. Being lawyer yun daw. Kaya ni mo na, uy.
An awon.